Hello guys, updates about Black Beauty Avante. Why I haven't taken it out, I'm just trying to fix a couple issues. The engine is still running pretty good. It's just that I'm trying to fix this little problem so I can take it back out. So the first issue, it was I was leaking gas from here, which I already fixed. The second issue is that this hose is leaking oil. This one is the feeder to the turbo going to the oil pan. Let me see if you see the oil right there. And the third one, which is the main one, is my second tune, which is my JB4. Yes, this car used JB4, but it's not for tuning. It's only to basically lie to the map sensors because I'm boosting way too fast, and then my regular computer, my stock computer, it will be going crazy saying that I need to shut down the engine or start acting up crazy though. So that's why I use a JB4 on it, but it's not only for tuning, it's only for that, to lie for the map sensors. Let me start it up so you guys can hear it. Pressure is around 75, 70. You see? Car is running good. The only thing that I need to switch is this, which I don't know if you guys got JB4 or not. If this happens to you guys, this one was corroded. So if this happens to you guys, JB4 website, if you guys look for control models, you guys will be able to get one instead of buying the whole piece again. And then this one, it damaged the Bluetooth connection too. So I have to replace this one too. I will be getting this like in a week, and after that I think I'm gonna be doing the dyno and trying to see how much the stock engine with the V turbo it can hold. Thank you guys.